The woodpecker's rhythm. Keep knocking until it opens. The woodpecker doesn't break through with one strike. It taps and taps and taps, relentless, steady, focused. Others may not hear it, but it keeps going. Not because it's loud, but because it's certain. It knows there's something inside that tree. It trusts the rhythm of effort, the sound of persistence echoing through the bark. Sometimes in life, you'll knock and get silence. You'll try and see no change. But like the woodpecker, don't stop. Don't doubt. The breakthrough comes to those who stay in motion, even when no one claps, even when no one sees.